Hello everyone. Let's model this Archimedes screw in Onshape. We will need a tool from the feature script library. I'll show you how to import that to create that curve here. All right. Let me stop that animation. Get that over here. And we'll start in the Part Studio with the sketch on the front plane. A line from the origin going up. Distance is 1,800 millimeters. And exit that sketch. So I got this 3S here, and you might not have it. I published a tutorial on that, how to work with that feature. I'll post it here in the card. But for now, I will remove it just to show you how to get that back, or me back. So you go to Add Custom Feature, and I found that typing spline expansion. Then I open this and I go in the 3D spiral and take that. And it says custom feature 3D spiral was added to your toolbar. All right. It's right here. I take that, and it asks us here to pick a spline edge. I'll take our straight line, and now define that spiral with a radius of 388 and 4 revolutions. All right, I'll make that sketch visible here. So next is our central cylinder. A sketch on the top plane with a circle, dimensioning that with 188. And then I go to extrusion, to vertex, that one, that's it. I like giving things some different color. We'll take that one. And next is our profile for the sweep. So we will create a plane with that option here, curve point. So we can define the plane by the curve and that endpoint. Accept that. And start a sketch on that plane. And start with a line going down and make that some triangle. Check on the vertical constraint. Make a fillet of 1 millimeter. Then a midpoint relationship of that construction line, and apply a symmetry. Pick 1, 2, 3. and a coincident relationship between the center of that arc and our curve. All right, we got that. And let's see what length we need here. I think something like 304 or so. Let's see. That's pretty good. And a height here of 12 millimeters. Accept that. Go into sweep. Take that region. Take that path. Take some time to calculate. And there we have that. Accept that. Hide that plane. Hide that sketch. Have a look at it. All right, and the functioning of that Archimedes screw is that, let's say that is, that screw is inside a cylindrical body, and then maybe it's in some oblique angle, and maybe there's sand or water here that you want to go up. So this needs to rotate there. And I'll just show you as some simple animation how to apply that type of motion. So here's the mate connector. Connect that here at the bottom. The blue axis, that's the z-axis, is going up. Okay, that's it. And then start an assembly. Insert that part we just modeled and create another mate connector here. Again, blue axis going up on the origin. So that is our mate connector there. And then just pick the revolute mate, take that one and that one, accept that, and then right mouse button click animate, and play button, and there you have it. Okay, so that was what I wanted to show you today. Archimedes screw, feature script, 3S, spiral, and animation of the screw. Thanks for watching.